So right now it's 3:14 in the morning, and the stock market is green. Well, slightly green. I don't really know what the market's gonna do, but maybe the market doesn't want to crash. Maybe rich people don't want the market to crash. Who really knows at the end of the day? But rich people move the market, not retail investors. My opinion only. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's a bunch of retail investors. But if you look at the biggest YouTube channel and you look at like one of the biggest YouTube out there, it won't get any more than 1 million views, right? Like 1 million views. So like, how many dedicated traders are there? How many dedicated retail investors are there? I mean, sure, some retail investors will be like, "Oh, I'll throw some money into the market." And every month we'll throw some more money in the market and don't really pay attention to what's going on in the market. So don't watch YouTube or whatever. I say at best case scenario, there's like maybe 1 million dedicated trader or retail investors or whatever, but that's not enough to move the market. It takes hundreds of billions of dollars to move the market. Like the SPY moving $1 is a lot of money. Like a lot of money. Um, it's like billions of dollars just for it to move $1. So at least I think so. I could be wrong. I don't know exactly how many shares that are in the SPY, but it takes a lot. It still takes a lot of money to move the market. I guess every dollar in the SPY is like $1 billion, and then there's the Nasdaq. There's individual stocks. There's billions, hundreds of billions of dollars that's moving back and forth, in the market because of institutions, hedge funds, market makers, and probably the federal government. They have a trading desk, so those are basically the big four that move the market. There might be another one, who knows? I don't know at the end of the day. And then day traders is like maybe some day traders can move the market, but somebody has to dictate the price of Tesla stock. Somebody has to dictate the price of Microsoft. Somebody has to dictate why Microsoft, Apple, Netflix, Facebook, how they're like trillions of dollars. Amazon. Somebody has to dictate that. So, and I don't think it's retail investors. A bunch of retail investors came together and be like, "Oh, let's make Microsoft $2.2 trillion, or Apple at $2.4 trillion." It just makes no sense to me that retail investors have that kind of money. Like that's just my opinion. So, I think that's like 99% hedge funds and institution, and maybe 1% tail. My opinion. So, but like I said, I think big money ultimately dictates the price movement of the stock market, and I honestly don't know where the market's gonna go. All I can do is look at charts, and right now, we're in a bear market for the SPY, but know, watch the MACD. If the MACD looks like it's going to curve and go and go back up, bye, because the market is probably gonna go back up again. But for now, we are still in a bear market, at least for now. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the market does over the week, over the month. But this MACD is very important. I think it's a bigger indicator than the RSI level. I mean, RSI is like, if the RSI hits like at 20, that's like obviously a free buy, right? Because that's like, oh yeah, it's definitely gonna do a dead cat bounce eventually, because it's way oversold. But MACD tells you if the market is going to go back bullish or bearish, in my opinion. That's how I see things. I mean, it's very basic charting. there's more advanced charting out there. I'm not gonna get into it. I'm just telling you the basic. Basic is the MACD. It's the most important. It tells you if the market is bullish or bearish. But it is kind of down. But if we look at when the market crashed when the COVID-19 hits, you can see that there's still lots of room for the MACD to keep going down. So we could see another 10%, 20% drop in the market, but who knows? If rich people want to pump the market back to 52-week high and break it and go higher, then what rich people will do? They control the market. So we'll see. Bitcoin also bounced. Bitcoin crashed when the market went extremely red. Now it's bouncing back. As for the Tesla stock, if the market goes to 52-week highs, I guarantee you Tesla will probably go back to 52-week high. Oh, not guaranteed, but I'm pretty sure it will happen. So the market will ultimately determine Tesla stock price. Because rich people, they want to support Elon Musk. They want to support Tesla. That's why Tesla is worth almost $1 trillion and was worth more than $1 trillion not too long ago. Even though I think, personally, just my opinion, Tesla's overvalued. PE ratio of 306. So, I mean, yeah, they might grow into it, but right now, as of now, they are considered overvalued, and growing into their market cap or into the valuation is pure speculation for the moment. Anyways, I'm sure Elon Musk could do it eventually, but for now, it's still pure speculation. It's a speculative game for Tesla. The pre-market right now, everything's green. China is Asia markets is low red. Europe is slightly red. We'll see what happens with the market tomorrow. But right now, it doesn't seem like the market wants to crash. It was like super red, like earlier, but now it's like green. Anyways, before I go, I just want to talk about this show called Good Girls. I've been watching it. It's kind of interesting. Basically, it's about a bunch of housewives that are desperate for money, and they end up working with a gang, turning monopoly money into real money and getting a cut of the profit. And it's pretty good. I enjoy it. Not a comedy, but definitely I definitely do enjoy it. And I watch a lot of stuff, and and I definitely give this recommendation. If you're bored and want something to watch, this one is a good show. I'm just started today, and I'm on episode 8. Probably finished the entire 4th season. Probably by the end of the week. Probably early February, because don't really have a life, and all I do is watch Netflix and work. So yeah, I watch YouTube and play Hearthstone. That's my life. Anyways, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.